Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this is the brand new start of a series that's called Room Tours. And in this I will show you the inside of motel rooms, hotel rooms, cabins, tents, whatever, you name it. And in this week's video we are in South Dakota in Keystone, and I'll show you some pictures of the location right here. And yeah, let's get into the video where you will see the hotel room, in this case a cabin, and also at the end the restrooms, the bathrooms, and the whole grounds of the property. So let's jump into the video, and I hope you have fun. Today I'm making a little video about the Buffalo Rock Lodge. This is located in Keystone, close to Keystone in South Dakota, and this is a bed and breakfast lodge and a campground just behind it. And up there you see the lodge, and we are staying on the campground, and I'll take you there and we'll do a little tour, and I'll tell you my opinion about this location here. So let's go check it out. And this is the inside of the cabin. As you see, you have a comfortable bed for two right here, a small table for three, and another bed right here, and you can pull the bottom out and then you can sleep four people in here. This is more for kids or smaller people though, but it's actually pretty comfortable too. So on the bottom just rolls out, so it makes four. Then unfortunately you only have 3 seats, but there's plenty of seating outside where you can eat, or on the porch as well. They provide some water here, fridge, microwave, coffee maker, garbage can, and that's about it. So pretty nice place to be. So we enjoyed it, and I think when I read the reviews, most people do enjoy this place here. So pretty nice. And it's actually quite a nice place here. So you have a seating area here for, I think I counted 12 people, some wood, fireplace, barbecue grill, all of that is included and is provided, so which makes this place quite interesting. So let's walk around. You can see the different sizes of cabins. That one there is the one we are in. It sleeps 4 people, and this one here is a little larger. I don't know how big this one is, probably also for 4. A little porch to sit on, which is nice. And it's a pretty quiet area here too. A little bit noisy right now. You can hear some motorcycles because there's a motorcycle rally going on. But normally I would say it's really quiet here. There's another cabin here that looks a little larger too. Maybe they have a nice view from their porch. Here looks smaller. What's that? There's a little outside restroom there, like a porta potty type deal. And on the right, the building up there behind the trees, that's kind of like a larger lodge. and there's some bread and breakfast in there. So you can rent a room there and have it come with some breakfast, so which is nice if you want to do that. This is how you get up there. Let's go see the restrooms. Not the restrooms, the bathrooms. So it's all in this building right here. So someone was cleaning in there, so we just had a little peek. The way it works is there are numbers on each door, and the number is the same than the number of your cabin. So if we have cabin number 3, bathroom number 3 is our bathroom. So the whole time we are here, nobody else will go in there. And I think that's a great thing to do, so you don't have to share your bathroom with someone, you know. That is really nice. And you know, that adds some privacy to your camp trip that you would miss in a normal regular campground where you have to share the showers and the bathroom with someone else. It might be dirty in there, there might be hair in the drain, you know, all that stuff. So here you don't have that. You hear that? There's some chickens down there. So here you don't have to deal with all that. So I think it's a great deal here. It's more like glamping, you know, than camping, but still very, very fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and come on back to the channel for more videos like this and reviews of hotels, campgrounds, and of course my silent walking tours. All right guys, have a wonderful day.